Today, I'm making something simple but very powerful. So this is a combination of cucumber, green apple, and red apple. You see, when nature gives you something vibrant as this, just know that it is a powerful antioxidant that you're going to be getting inside. You know what they say about cucumber? It's 95% water, which makes it incredible for hydration. And you know, hydration isn't about quenching your thirst. It directly impacts your skin's elasticity, and also nourishes that skin glow, that natural skin glow that we all crave for. Cucumber also contains compounds like cucurbitacin and flavonoids, which help calm oxidative stress in the body. Now, red apple and green apple, this combination gives you vitamin C and other essential vitamins, which helps with collagen synthesis and supports even looking skin. I hope you'll be trying this recipe. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.